The weather is raging in this strange summer. Strong storm and hailstorm hit Turin in Italy. Torrential rain, hail and strong gusts of wind hit the city center. The grains of ice from the hail have stripped many trees and left a green carpet of leaves on the ground and in the streets. The hailstorm started suddenly and gradually intensified.
Mamma mia che roba!
Turin was wounded by this devastating hailstorm. Record storm and hailstorm, grains the size of a palm, uprooted trees. There are dozens of photos of the hailstorm that affected a large part of the metropolitan area of Turin in Italy. The city of Turin and its hinterland are affected by violent hailstorms almost every year which cause considerable damage. This time the hailstorm hit quite hard, with an especially abundant phenomenon, which caused widespread and consistent damage.
Mamma mia. Porca, dal vento sta ribaltando. Oddio, la barca, oddio. Dio. Sta volando tutto. Mamma mia, un disastro.
There is a lot of damage in agriculture. Urban vegetation has suffered a lot. The hail also caused the deaths of numerous birds.